built for adventure, and this was what you were working towards. This is what you dreamed of, and you got there, right on time. Introducing the remarkably powerful and undeniably efficient CrossWing fifth-wheel hitch from CURT. CrossWing gives you the best of both worlds by packing extraordinary strength into one lightweight, dependable hitch. Its main body weighs only 60 pounds, making it 65% lighter than most traditional fifth-wheel hitches, while still offering a powerful 20,000-pound weight capacity. It only takes one person to install or remove the hitch assembly. Unlike other lightweight hitches, CrossWing's unique coupling system eliminates guesswork by offering a visible contact surface. The head connection point will self-align to the head channel that will guide the kingpin into place. It's hassle-free. Now, you can successfully couple on slightly uneven terrain and not have to worry about being slightly off-center. With CrossWing, we set out to design something better for you. Its built-in patent-pending ShockDrop technology provides a smoother towing experience by reducing jerking and jarring with its fore and aft head articulation. CrossWing also provides a rearward offset of 5 inches to give users added turning clearance, 3 points of height adjustment for various vehicle trailer heights, and an easy-to-reach release handle for effortless ergonomic operation. To add to its superior strength and integrity, CrossWing is made with high-grade steel versus aluminum to ensure maximum performance and unmatched operator confidence. CrossWing is finished with a premium carbide black powder coat for long-lasting rust resistance and a refined, attractive look. This is what you dreamed of, and you got there, right on time. Make your adventure one to remember. Tow with confidence and do more of what you love with a lightweight CrossWing fifth-wheel hitch from CURT.